In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate your Xero account to find specific invoices with ease. Whether you're a seasoned user or new to this accounting platform, these steps will ensure that you can always access the information you need quickly. Let's begin by logging into your Xero account. Simply head to the Xero website and enter your credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your business's financial data. Now, direct your attention to the main menu at the top of the page. Here you will find various options designed to help you manage different aspects of your business. Click on Business. This will provide you with a drop-down menu that includes several essential functions, including income, expenses, and contacts. From the drop-down list, choose Invoices. Clicking on this will take you to the Invoice Management section of your account. This area is specifically designed to give you an overview of all the invoices related to your business. Whether they are awaiting payment or have just been sent, every invoice will be accessible from this page. In order to find a specific invoice, you'll want to make good use of the search bar or the filters located prominently on the screen. These tools are invaluable when you need to track down an invoice quickly. Let's say you remember some details about the invoice you're looking for, perhaps the date it was issued, the amount it covers, or its status, such as whether it is open, paid, or overdue. Simply input this information in the search bar, or adjust the filters accordingly. This function narrows down your options significantly and brings up only those invoices that match your criteria. Once you've found the invoice you're looking for, click on its number to open its detailed view. This view provides you with extensive information about the transaction. You can see the full breakdown of the invoice, including who it was issued to, the products or services billed, and any applicable items like tax. On top of that, it will show you the payment history associated with this invoice. You can check if it's been partially or fully paid, and see any notes or transactions related to it. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you're now able to log in to your Xero account and find any invoice you require in just a few clicks. This process not only saves you time, but also gives you precise control over your financial management tasks. Be sure to make use of these features regularly to maintain a clear overview of your business finances. Thank you for watching, and happy invoicing!